Hello, everybody. This is Rosalind Robinson with Tranquility Mobile Massage, and this is our massage talk. This is episode 2, and we're going to be talking with you guys about starting your own business, massage business. And we had the opportunity to do that when we went to go talk to a class about having your own massage business here in Texas, Academy of Massage Therapy Training. Thank you for inviting us out. So it was me and another therapist named Ryan Harness here in Texas, and Ryan was a great asset and a great part of the group. So we got to talk to those students about a series of different things. And we want to talk to you guys about those things. So you guys have that information also. And so we're going to talk about creating a business name, sole proprietor LLC, insurance, business promotion. How do you go about doing that? How do you promote your business? Taxes, mobile or in office, 1099 or business owner, targeted clientele, pricing, what makes your business stand out, network of therapists, networking events, what type of services you're going to offer, and what type of equipment do you need for your business. So I'm going to try to go through this as quickly as possible. And there are certain topics that I'll probably come back to in other episodes to talk about more in depthly. But if there's something or you have a question that you want answered or you want more information on, just send me a message in the chat, and that'll be fine. And then I'll respond back to you. Our first one is creating a business name. You do need to do that. I would say make it something unique, something that stands out, something that represents your business. Check and see if other companies have that same name. If they do, then maybe change the way the letters in the name that you have, if there's a similar name to another business. Now, in registering that name with your state, each state is maybe different. So check out how to do that, whatever state you're in. Here in Texas, um, when you get ready to register your business name with your in Texas, you can do that through the Secretary of State, Bexar County Small Business Entrepreneur Department. You can go through LegalZoom. There's many ways you can do that. I would say do your research to make sure that you dot all your I's and cross all your T's. The next one is, so you want to be a sole proprietor or you want to get an LLC. Now, the difference between a sole proprietor is that if anybody decides to sue you, which hopefully they won't, they can take your personal assets. LLC protects that. If they do attempt to pursue any legal proceedings, so far as suing you or anything, they will sue the LLC. So they won't take your personal assets, just the assets of the business. So, if possible, I would say get an LLC just to cover yourself, because you never know. Now, for the LLC, um, here in Texas, you don't have to renew it every year. What you have to do is have to file an annual public information report and also pay franchise tax each year. And those payments are made to the Texas Comptroller of Accounts. Each state is different, so make sure you check and see what your state requires for the renewal of your LLC. Now, also insurance. You do need insurance if you are going to have your own business. There's many different types of insurance for massage entities you can utilize. There's AMTA, there's AMBP, many others. Do your research. And AMTA, AMBP, you can become a member. You can become a member if you're a student. So check out the benefits. Check out also pricing. See what works in your budget. but do your research and do your diligence. But you need insurance for your business. Um, Now, next is business promotion tools. So you can use business cards, you can use flyers, refrigerator magnets, all types of things in order to promote your business. If you go into events, you want to do some flyers, you can print up flyers. Business cards you can get through Staples, you can get through Vistaprint, you can make your own. There's programs to make your own business cards. So even with making your business cards or flyers, try to make them as unique as possible. That shows off what your business is, what your business does, but some type of promotional tool. Now you can also promote on social media, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, all those different entities you can promote on. You can do events to promote, so you can look for local events to go and promote your business and what you do. So there's many different avenues, but word of mouth is the best promotion you can have. So as clients refer you, that is fantastic. Next is taxes. Ryan did tell the students when we did our presentation to the students to open up a high yield checking account and set aside 20% of your earnings for taxes. It is also suggested that you set aside 25% or 30%. But if you're in a state that has state taxes, you want to set aside 5% to 10%. Um, Here in Texas, we don't have state taxes, we have federal. So, so that 20 to 30% will be a good amount to set aside for your income tax at the end of the year. Now, you can do your taxes on your own, or you can hire a CPA. Starting out, we, suggest probably, maybe do them on your own or with TurboTax or something like that. But if you have someone that can assist you with your business taxes, please reach out to them. And if you're able to get a CPA, get a CPA. But make sure that you, if you're going to do it on your own, that you do know the tax codes, you do know all the updated information dealing with business taxes so that you won't have any problems with the IRS.